Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove your activity status from Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, your activity will be shown to other people who follow you and who you follow as well, and who you have chats with. It is this green sort of bubble in the chat window where you'll see whether someone's active or not, or they'll see your last active moment or a timestamp when you were last active. Now, to remove that, it's very easy. All you need to do is go to your account settings, and you do that by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right, then going into the top right, clicking these three bars, and now you're in your settings and activity menu. From here, you're going to want to scroll down until you get to how others can interact with you, as you can see here, and you're going to click on messages and story replies. From here, as you can see, you have the show activity status button, and here you can enable it or disable it per your wishes. As you can see, when it's on and others can see it, you'll see this sort of white icon, and the slider will be to the right side, and if you just put it to the left, it's going to be deactivated, and that's all you need to do. Now, you can also, instead of searching for it, you can use the search bar and type in show activity status. And for some reason my Instagram is bugging out, excuse me, but as you can see, show activity status is the first option. You just click that and disable it, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.